Okay, so I've just bumped into this chap. Hiya, what's your name? Where'd you come from?
My name is Zeeshan. I'm from Germany, Saarbrücken.
Okay,
I'm
nice one.
PDR guy since 2017.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, what have you bought today?
Today I got some really quick dent poppers.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah,
with
very
an
nice.
easy peel process. I always use alcohol on the glue.
Yeah.
I use polish glue, and it works very well.
Yeah.
It's often like you need to know your glue, not the company does make
That's
a
it,
difference.
you need to know the
but
glue, yeah.
it is always nice to test out new stuff.
Yeah.
If you just go for one thing and you say no, that is the way to go. The technique is going forward, and if you don't go with them, you will stay behind.
That's
and
it. Yeah.
With a lot of techs who are 20 years, 25 years in there, they stop learning. But you never have learned out.
Yeah,
Every day there's something new to find out. And the cars are changing and everything like that.
Yeah.
And,
Very good.
And I got from CamAuto.
What's this? From CamAuto
from here.
With
These are
Charles. Yep. Okay. Yep.
Skinny
very
pullers.
Nice.
They pull like.
They do, yeah.
They pull
I've got some of these.
really
I just
hard.
haven't had a chance to use them yet.
You didn't, because I bought them with this red puller.
And
it was in the set in there.
Yeah, definitely.
For deep creases, if you don't have the access to get in there, really nice. It pulls really hard. Of course, you have to prep the metal.
You do,
but
you have to prep it right.
I've never seen something like this in this small.
And it's very
area.
fine as well. It's very
fine.
thin. And what type of PDR do you do? Are you hail or collision?
I'm doing.
So just show me that massive dent in the midi.
Yeah, I'm doing collision repairs, like kicked in stuff. I'm doing a lot of push to paint stuff for the body shops and everything like that. And of course, I'm doing the small dents too. The small dents is what makes the fast money, but you don't learn a lot of that. You have to find the middle way. You can't. If you want to chase hail, you have to go around the world. If you want to stay at your place, you have to do everything.
I've done some hail, but I prefer to do this, the big stuff and
it gives more satisfaction.
That's it,
when you finish with a bigger dent. And the small dents is like you can push small dents, and everyone will say, "Oh, that's the best guy. I've never seen another PDR guy." But you have to look. Those are not PDR guys. You have to look what other PDR guys are doing, and it is changing. It is a lot of changing, and you follow. You see
and we're
it on
always
YouTube.
learning as well, aren't we? We're always learning.
We're always learning
new techniques and stuff like that.
You are saying that we are always learning, and you are master tech. You are a master tech. I learned a lot from him, and watch his video, follow him. He's a super guy.
Excellent, thank you very much. What tools are you looking to buy then today?
Stanliner.
Stanliner, I can see that on your hat. Nice,
I went to Stanliner first at the beginning of the morning.
Got all the gear.
And I put I bought like 7, 8, 9 rods from them. Everything what I got besides of the smaller stuff, pirate hook and everything like that, because their metal movement is
it's a different technique.
It's a different technique. It's like learning the metal in a new way.
I used something. I think it was alligator. It wasn't Stanliner. I had a crease the full length of the door, and I put it in. And I just slid the crease out. It was amazing.
It's like you flow with the metal. Alligator tools is doing a good job, but they are knock off a little bit.
I know.
Stanliner is the way to go, but they have always a limited tool variation, and unfortunately Kaz died last year, and I think he's the mastermind behind all this thing, and it is a legendary status. I don't think that there will be another company in the next few years who will top that pushing rods from them. So if you see something from Stanliner, I would recommend you to buy it, even if it's a little euros more than the other stuff.
Thank you very much. Excellent. Well, thanks very much for talking to us. I can't shake your hand because I'm using this hand for the camera, because the camera lady's just gone to the toilet. But thank you, and I appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. See you, my friend.